Okay, pick up your camera and record from the ground level to the sky above. As you can see what I am doing, alright? Just record this. You are recording 2 videos. After this one now, you now go and record yourself on the green screen. Look at what I just did, alright? Record yourself on a green screen, alright? Then after that now, save the video to your gallery and head over to CapCut. CapCut, new project, import your video to workspace, okay? Click on your video, locate volume, alright? Click on volume, reduce it to 0. Mark on this good and go back. Click anywhere now, overlay, add overlay, import your green screen character now. Click it and look for volume, reduce it to 0. Mark on that good and go back. Click it and make it fit the screen, okay? Then you go and locate mask, okay? Locate mask. Click on mask now. Click on rectangle. We want to mark out that black, alright? You resize it. Look at the black we want to mark out. Resize it. After that, you click on this good now and go back, alright? Click on the video now. Go and look for remove BG, okay? Click on remove BG now. Chroma key. Drag it up, alright? Mark on that good and go back. Come back and click it again. Go and locate adjust. Click on adjust now. If you locate, click on adjust. Click on HSL. Mark on that green. You reduce saturation to 100%. Reduce it. Mark on this good now and go back, alright? After that, you want to expound the character. You want to expound the video. If you look at what I am doing. After expounding it now, you click on add overlay, okay? Then you import your wing, alright? So as you import your wing now, reduce the volume again, mark on that good and go back. Go and locate mask again after expounding it. Because of that black there, alright? We want to mark out the black. So locate mask again. Locate mask. Click on mask now. Click on rectangle. You resize it. Alright? Resize the wing. Come down to resize the wing. After resizing the wing now, you mark on that good and go back, alright? So at this point, we want to look for remove BG. Locate remove BG. Click on remove BG. Chroma key, alright? Like we did to the other one. Push it up, mark on this good and go back. You come and click it again and go and look for adjust like we did on the other one. So that the green will fully go out. Click on adjust, HSL, the green. You reduce saturation to 100%. You mark on that good and go back. So here now, we want to come down now to work on our wing, alright? Just adjust this one because we walk in, alright? After you adjust it, you start working on your wing. After adjusting it here, we are going to be duplicating this wing, alright? Just come down to place this one where you want it to be. Then after that, you locate duplicate, alright? Locate duplicate. Go and look for duplicate. You duplicate it, alright? Then you click it and drag it to come and align with this one, okay? Make it align with this the other wing layer. Make it align. After making it align now, you want to separate them because they will not be together. So you click it and separate them and place them on the position you want them to be, alright? Just follow what I am doing. After positioning them now, okay? Look at what I am doing. Good. So at this point, you will look at where I bend down. That is where I am going to be making a split. Click on this one and make a split. Click on this one and make a split. We are going to be adding keyframe, alright? But before then, locate mask, alright? Go and look for mask. Click on mask now. Then you come and click on keyframe, alright? So at this point, wipe it out completely. Use that arrow to wipe it out completely. Yes. Then you come to the second one. Click it as well. Then click on mask. Click on key. Wipe it out as well. Alright. Then you go to the first one now. Click it. Click it now. So as you are adjusting the video now, click on mask. As you click on mask now, as you are adjusting the video, you are opening the wing again. You are making the wing visible again. Look at what I am going to be doing. You are going to be using that arrow. Look at the arrow. You will use that arrow to make the wing to be visible again, to open it completely. So look at what I'm doing. You open it completely. After opening it now, look at it. Open it completely now. Good. Then you are going to be going to the second one to do the same thing you did here. Go to the other one, the second one. You know you have added key already, so don't make mistake. Just click on mask. Immediately you click on mask now. Use that arrow. As you adjust the video small, you are making the wing, the second wing, visible like you did to the first one. Just calm down. Follow it precept by precept, line upon line, so I will not make mistake. Look at it gradually. Now, as you adjust again, you can now open it, finish. This is it, all right? Look at the result. Good. Can you see? At this point, look at what we have got so far. All right? Look at what we have got so far. So at this point, you can see that the video, the background is longer than the video. So we want to be making split. You make split here, you make split here, you delete this one, you delete this one, then come and click this one and go and do duplicate. Make a duplicate. All right? As you click this one now, you duplicate it. Locate duplicate, guys. Click on duplicate. Click on this one as well. You click on duplicate as well. Look at duplicate. Come back, this man. Look at duplicate here. Click on duplicate. So at this point, this your video. Look at it. It has gotten to the end. So what will be happening here is to remove the unwanted parts. So you click on this one, you make a split. Click on this one, make a split. Click on this one, make a split. You start deleting them. All right? Delete them. All right? Delete them. Okay, look at what we have got so far. Okay, that is not all. But before we continue, like, comment, and share this video so that YouTube will recommend it to other subscribers out there, all right? Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates. Go and locate your notification bell so that YouTube will always notify you whenever we drop our amazing tutorials, okay? Welcome to the tutorial. So at this point, you will go back. There's another thing we want to add. Look at this place. Before you start flying, click on add overlay. Click on photos now. Then import this paper. Look at this paper, import it. I will tell you what we are going to be doing with it, but now adjust it to the end of the video. After adjusting it, you come back. Click on it now. Go and locate mask, all right? Locate mask, guys. Click on mask now. Click on mask. Click on rectangle, all right? Then you want to crumple it. Crumple it very well. Crumple it. We are going to be putting it at the center of your back, where that wings has demarcation. After that, after crumpling it now, you want to play with that feather icon, all right? After playing with it, you mark on that good and go back. Just look at what I am doing. Then you mark on the good and go back. Then you push it. Take it to where that demarcation is, all right? So as you did it now, just take your time to do your necessary adjustment. As you can see, I am adjusting my own. Make it to be neat, all right? Look at it. After adjusting it, just mark on that good and go back. Mark on that good and go back now. So at this point, we are going to be playing the video. Let us see what we have got so far, all right? So calm down now to play the video. Let us see what we have got, all right? At the cost of playing the video, if there are adjustments to make, you take time to make your necessary adjustment. But as for me, this video is ready, okay? What will be remaining in this video now is to add your sound effects, your light effects, and other effects as the case may be. And after that, you can now export your video. But maybe you are saying, I don't know how to add those things. I want you to put me through. Don't worry. At the description of this video, my number is there. Just go and DM me. Then I'll put you through on how to add your necessary effect. After that, you now click on export now and export this video to your gallery. This video is exporting now. Just exercise patience. Now this video I've installed in your gallery. You can now share it to your social media handles, okay? Like, comment, and share this video so that YouTube will recommend it to other subscribers out there. If this is your first time of coming across our YouTube channel, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates. And don't forget to locate your notification bell. Click on it so that YouTube will always notify you whenever we drop our amazing tutorials, okay? See you in our next video. Thanks for watching. Stay safe.